dress is from Tokito. And then my bag is, I bought this bag, in SM. SM, I think SM Mega Mall or some, SM Mega Mall? Yeah, it's Belladonna. Yan, I bought this one at SM. And then, this bracelet, a gift from my Ate Jane. And this other bracelet from my brother. And this one is, Mimco. And this one from Hairstyle. Yeah, I think it is Hairstyle now. And then my ring, this one, I bought it from Temu. And then my sandals, Charles Kit. Yeah, that's my outfit for today. Thank you. Bye.
For he will be great before the Lord, and he must not drink wine or strong drink, and he will be filled with the Holy Spirit even from his mother's womb. And he will turn Israel to the Lord their God. Disobedient to the wisdom of the just, to make ready for the Lord a people prepared.
Yeah, thank you, Brother Wesley, for that introduction. For the third time, introduce na ako. Okay, so here in the Word. So how should Christians respond to waiting? Psalm 37 verse 7 answers that, be still before the Lord and wait patiently for Him.
We're at the wedding. I'm just a chaperon. Naka-live ka ba? Nag-video lang ako. Yeah, we're here. Dito kami. We're the first.